Yumi K, everybody! Hey, give it up for Harry, everybody! Yeah, he's been a great host. If you couldn't tell by my voice, I'm bisexual.
Me too!
Oh, okay. Welcome. The rest of them, we're here for them when they come out, you know? I actually like to identify as half gay. Any other half gays? See, it's just you and me, man. All right. True story, though. My first boyfriend was actually a gay dude, and I didn't know that till he blamed me for it later. Totally unfair. It's totally his idea for me to wear a strap-on, so... Thank you. You guys are so sweet. I wish he liked it that much. So I live in a faraway land. You may have heard of it, Brighton Beach. Yeah, a couple of you. If you haven't, it's at the end of the Q train in the Soviet Union. Can we all just agree that Russians are the scariest white people? They're so scary. I had this job teaching English to a little Russian girl, and she tried to ask me how old I am, and she goes, "How many years you live?" Even the old women are scary, you know? They're always in gangs and fur coats, chain-smoking cigarettes. You know, life is better in Russia. In Brighton Beach, life is beach. It's cool. It's cool to be at Broadway Comedy Club. So my name is Yumi. That's a Japanese name. I have it because my grandfather has a specific type. Let's just say my 23andMe matches his internet history. So progressive, you know? It was the 40s, and, you know, America was like, we gotta get the Japanese. And Grandpa was like, that's a great idea. I'm gonna get me some Japanese. I'm actually with an Asian man now, so I guess Grandpa and I have something in common. It's so funny. My white girlfriends will say the dumbest shit. They'll be like, I don't like Asian guys. Their dicks are too small. You know what, bitch? Maybe your pussy's too big. Why do I have to break the news? What else? I don't know how to feel about this hair anymore. I kind of feel like I look like a professor of non-binary poetry science. Thank you. Maybe that's a job I could hold. Anyone here hate their job? Woo! Wow! I love all the honesty and pessimism here. It's beautiful. I'll tell you a bit about my last job. I actually used to work at a strip club. That was my parents' reaction. You know what I learned is I don't have the strip club voice.
I had to talk like a Disney princess or I'd never pay my rent. Someday my prince will come in his pants.
Yeah, it's just never gonna work in my regular voice. Like, excuse me, sir, would you like a lap dance? I'm a professional, I assure you. You're gonna have a grand old time. See, it's not working at all. You guys have been an awesome audience. Give it up for Harry.